In the last lesson, you learned about how to be specific using CSS classes. Now we're even going to go deeper. Now, for example, we have our class cool, but we've applied it to a paragraph and a strong element. What if you wanted to still use the same class for both elements, but you wanted a slightly different behavior when used, for example, in a paragraph? Let's say in a paragraph, I want the color not to just be purple, but I also want it to be italics. Currently, both the paragraph and the strong element are purple, but I want it in such a way that the paragraph is italics, but I want that to only be applied to the paragraph. So now what is going to happen is that we're going to tell CSS that anytime the cool class is applied to paragraph, make the text italics. So that is an additional command. And we do that by the dot operator. So we're going to say p.cool and we have our code inside. We're going to say font style is italic. Now, this is like an extension of the existing command of the cool class. So in the cool class, we have purple, Rebecca purple, and font family. So the paragraph will still have those, but additionally, it will be italic. And this will only be applied to the paragraph. The strong element that has the class cool will just maintain the two commands of being purple and then the font. So if you notice, the paragraph is now in italics, but of course it still maintains the general command of the cool class, which is purple and having a specific font. But we have a specific extension to say that if this is applied to a paragraph, make the paragraph italics. This is how to be more specific when dealing with classes.